releases spine tension, aids digestion, activates core and arms, aligns spine, strengthens back, opens chest, reduces slouching. Builds leg strength, tones core, boosts stability. Stretches hamstrings and lower back, improves flexibility. Opens hips, strengthens legs, relieves tightness. Improves posture, engages core, boosts body alignment. Opens hips and glutes, reduces lower back tension. Do 30 to 40 seconds each side daily. Strengthens legs, improves balance. Hold for 30 seconds.